Time now to make the grandfather clock, which uses these parts. And we're going to start off by gluing these 3 triangles together. So a little dab of glue on 2. And then place them on top of each other and sensibly, carefully squeeze them together. If you wish to, you can use a good old clothes peg to have them dried in position. Try and keep them as level as possible. So I'm just going to leave these to dry for a moment over there. And then I'm going to add and turn over my clock and add a line of glue to either side of the main piece and place the edge in and on firmly, which pushes that glue in. Other side now, pushing in firmly so it's sitting nicely. Here we go, lovely. I can already tell that that's working for me. And then these pieces, this is the top of the clock. You can stick on the clock face that's supplied, or you can draw in your own. I drew in my own on the example, but you can of course use the clock face provided. And you're going to stick this in place at the top so it's lined up. So the square section of the clock face is at the very top of the facing rectangle. Add a bit of glue here for the clock detail, which sits in the middle of that, like so. I'll just raise that up slightly from the bottom. And then of course, you've probably realised these triangles have one more dot of glue and they sit behind that. So I'm now going to put that on the side and have something rest on it, something heavy. To really embed in that glue. That's the clock.